Typhoid fever is also called as enteric fever. Typhoid fever is bacterial infection of intestinal tract which is caused by organism Salmonella typhi with incubation period of 10 to 20 days. Typhoid can be transmitted through contaminated food, drink, water, direct contact with infected person. It can be caused due to following reasons: using toilet contaminated with bacteria and touching mouth without washing hands, eating seafood from a water source contaminated by infected feces or urine, drinking contaminated water, eating raw vegetables that have been fertilized by human waste, having sexual contact with infected person. Disease process: bacteria enter stomach, tackles acidic pH in stomach, reaches to small intestine and multiply. From small intestine, some bacteria are shed in feces and some penetrate through mucosal lining of small intestine, followed by entry of bacteria in bloodstream. From blood, the bacteria travels in other part of body. And appearance of signs and symptoms. Signs and symptoms seen in first week are fever, headache, body ache, mild abdominal pain, constipation. These signs usually resolve after treatment. But if person doesn't receive proper treatment, then in second week there will be increase in fever, splenomegaly, that is enlargement of spleen, hepatomegaly, that is enlargement of liver, abdominal distension, and appearance of red spot on skin. In some cases, person may go in typhoid stage, which is characterized by severe diarrhea, disorientation, delirium. Delirium is a state of being unable to think or speak clearly. Coma. Management include antibiotics like ciprofloxacin, ofloxacin, cefixime, ampicillin are administered. Intravenous fluid replacement can be given to maintain hydration of patient. Home management include drinking plenty of water, drinking ORS, use of cold compress for fever, clove water or drinking tulsi leaf water, that is in boiling water add clove or tulsi leaf. Preventive measures are drink boiled water, keep premises and kitchen area clean, wash hands before and after eating food and after using toilet, wash fruits and vegetables before eating.